Hello, my loves. Welcome back to Design Your Decade, your source for all the things and tools that you need in order to step into the next level version of you this decade. 2020, we here, we made it. So welcome to this new season of your life, my loves. It's me, Talia, with the Sassy Nation, and today we are going to be talking all about setting SMART goals. Now, I know that this is something that you've probably heard of and you are probably familiar with. However, what I'm going to be teaching you today is the NLP version of setting SMART goals. So if that's something you're interested in learning in, please stay tuned. As always, if you have any questions about any of the information that we are learning here, please feel free to reach out to me. You can click the link in my bio or click the link in the comments below if you are watching on YouTube. Otherwise, slide into the DMs and let's get the conversation going. All right. So, SMART goals is an acronym. It is an acronym, and the S is for simple, specific, and being able to see yourself doing the thing, accomplishing the goal, getting the outcome. Okay. The M is for making sure that the goal or the outcome is both measurable and is meaningful to you. The A is not only for achievable, it is for acting as though it is already done. Acting as if you already have the thing, the goal, the outcome already in your grasp. That it speaks to stepping into the identity of the person who has the thing that you want already, and making sure that it is in alignment with all areas of your life. All right. Now, in the old paradigm, the R for SMART goals typically stands for realistic. However, I have personally taken that and adopted the R to mean fully realizable, because when something is realizable or realized, that means that you can perceive it, and if you can perceive it, you can actually have that thing. Okay, so R for realizable or realize, and also, is it something that is responsible, like ecologically? Is it going to be good for your life? Is it going to be good for the people who you surround yourself with? Is it good for the community? Is it good for the world? That gives a lot of power to your goals when it is very, very ecological. Okay. And lastly, the T is for timely. Also on a timeline. Give this goal that you have of yours a specific timeline in which you want to accomplish it, and making sure the T also is toward motivated. It's something that you are working towards and not necessarily something that you are moving away from or pushing against. You want to make the goal to be as desirable as possible so that you will want to and have the motivation to run towards it so that you can accomplish it. All right, so that's our quick chat for today on SMART goals. Let me know, what goals are you setting for yourself in the new year? What achievable outcomes you have and that you're looking forward to that are ahead of you for this year? And of course, if you would like more support, you can always reach out to me. I would love to talk to you about some of the programs that I offer, from Design Your Decade Breakthrough Days to my 90-day program, which is Mindset Alchemy for Extraordinary Humans. So if you want more information about that, jump into my DM, send me a message, and let's get you on the calendar to schedule some one-on-one time with me.